Alright, so in this video I am going to go over on how to create a button from scratch, and then we will apply some design to that button. So right now I have a button right here, and I am just going to delete that whole area and start from scratch with you. So I have my text module sitting right below a video module, and now we want to add a button module. And again, we want to do its own column by itself. So I'm going to add new row, and I'm going to do a single, and inside here, oops, we want to pick what kind of module we want in here. And inside they have this cool one that's called button. And right here, the first thing it's going to ask you is going to say the text, and so we're going to add apply now, and then the link. The link, we can send it wherever we want to go. Right now I'm going to send it to application, and then the link target is in the same window, or is going to open a new window. It's kind of like the new tab. Same window would be fine. We just want them to go to the next step, and so we're going to hit save. And now you'll notice our button is over here to the left. It's rather small, so now we're going to apply some design to it. Just like anything else, we're going to hover into it, and we're going to click on the module settings. We're going to go inside design. First thing we're going to take care of is the alignment. We want to put it in the middle, just like so. The text is dark right now. Let's go into button. Right now it's just a default one for this theme or this page, and we want to do custom styles. Once that's open, now we can say, hey, the text size for the button, I want it to be big. I want the color to be white, and I want the background button to be background color to be something like that. So I probably have to change my color over there. And you can go crazy. You know, your border width, your border color. You can make a radius if you wanted to. The font, you can pick whatever font you want. Style. An icon, you say yes or no. And that's where I put this little cool little button that goes to the right of it. And you can say, hey, I want the button icon on the left or the right. There's so many things you can do to it. Make yourself a little shadow. I think our color's black, so you don't see too many shadows. Maybe white. There you go. Yeah, something like that. Animation. You want this thing to bounce. You want it to flip in. You want it to fold in. Alright. Your intensity, whatever you want to do. Okay, and so now we hit apply, or we hit save. So now we got our cool button, and that's how you change it. Now what is awesome is after you're done with everything and you want to apply this button over and over and over again, see how we hover over here and we have this module that has save. We can save this to a library. So I'm going to call this button 1. And right here, if I make this global, that is the magic button. Hit save, boom. So now, if I want to add that button, say down here, add from library, button 1. I'm going to delete this button. So now I have my button down here, and I didn't have to do much to it. I'm going to hit save. But here's the cool part. If I come back to the original or any of these buttons now that I have it global, and I come back in here, and if I change join the team today, hit save, it's going to change it wherever I put that type of button. And I don't have to go back and change everything again. So you can have multiple buttons, and so you can see right here, this is another button I created. I think this is button 2 or button 1. And so every time I have that style, I don't have to go through all the pages and change everything if I duplicate the buttons that way. Alrighty, I hope that helps. Any questions, let me know. And I will make another video later on about the videos inside the pages. But I think it's enough for you to get started. I'll talk to you later.